Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Aloe Vera has many health benefits and been used as medicine for a long time. And the medical research also proved that it has a good wound healing, anti-inflammation. Aloe Vera gel has many benefits on the cosmetics, skincare, help reduce acne and inflammation. However, only by using the plant in the correct way to take the benefits. Aloe Vera gel contains 99% of the water and the rest of the 1% has the vitamins plus the magic component called a polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is the sticky chemical, it exists in the ginseng and also oatmeals, and that gives the benefits of anti-inflammation, helping recover from the wound. But this chemical is quite easy to be break down, losing its bioactivity because of the heat and oxygen. So doing a right treatment to collect the aloe vera gel becomes very important to take the full benefits. In the next video, I will demonstrate you how to use the prepared aloe vera gel and mix with turmeric powder and cucumber hydrosol to make a face mask to treat the acne. As we all know, fresh is better. So for using aloe vera, this is definitely true. So you always want to have a fresh aloe vera. You collect it and prepare it and then use it. Use it quickly. It's very important because aloe vera contains a lot of bioactive compounds, but the bad news is those are not stable once they expose in the air. So we gotta want to use it within the 36 hours. If you want to store it, you can freeze it, but you still want to use it as soon as possible. Today I'm gonna show you the major 5 steps to make a best use of aloe vera. The first step is a cutting. You want to have the good cutting. That means 1 inch above the bottom and remove 3 inch of the tip. And also you want to peel off. I will demonstrate you how to do that. And the second one, cleaning. A good cleaning is important to remove all the bad stuff like enzymes that could cause the sensitivity. That's why I wear the gloves. So you want to wear gloves when you cut it and pre-treat it. The third step is a cold press. So use a cold press. Don't use a blender. It can raise up the temperature and that causes the polysaccharide that can be oxidized, because when you are blending, not only heat up, but also it has a huge chance to connect with oxygen. So that is bad for those bioactive compounds. After the cold press, then we do the pre-treatment. That is a special heat and a cold cycle before you use it. And the heat cold cycle can help stabilize the bioactive compounds and help us to maximize the benefits. And the last one is use or store it for 36 hours before you finish it. When we cut it, we find the strong leaf. It's no black dots, that's the best. And cut, leave 1 inch at the bottom. So you have a sharp knife, and also you want to have a 2 bowl with water because we're gonna use them. You can see the beautiful, nice, clean color and a green. And then we also want to take off the tip, about 2 or 4 inch. Now this is cut it and put in the water to rinse it before we clean it. So actually you can already see the water change a bit of yellow because they are oxidizing. It's very quick. And then we peel off the, the edge. You can cut a bit more. Just make sure you don't have the, the yellow part or the skin left. And also I can just slice it, make it easier to cut. The goal is we just wanted the clear part. Because the skin under, the layer has enzyme that can cause the bitter taste and also may cause allergy. The gel is good. Now we put this into another bowl. So let it soak there and then continue. So after wash the gel, we put in the plate. Just keep the gel, it's on the pieces. The second step is cold press it, the pieces into a juice. I'm using a LeTime press. If you don't have the press, you can use the cheesecloth, just squeeze by hand. But using a press make it easier. The next step is transfer the gel into a small cup. So I'm using a stainless steel cup because the next treatment we gotta do a hot and a cold cycle. It's good to use a metal cup so it has a better the heat conductor. But you can use a glass. Because actually aloe vera, the gel contains a lot of water. It has over 99% is water. But look at this. So actually, even it's water, but it's not as thin as water. You can see how long the string is. So this is how much the gel I got from just one piece of the aloe vera leaf. The best part is you can see how sticky they are. This is very important because the major compound, the bioactive compound is a polysaccharide. Those are the sticky part, it's functional component. Now do the hot and the cold cycle. I have a boiling water, pour in the cup. Don't just pour it into the cup and put on the fire to boil it. It will make all the bioactive compounds go bad, lose their function. So you just need a hot water, more exactly like a 70 degrees Celsius. And that's a perfect temperature to stabilize the polysaccharide. And let it sit in there for 10 minutes before we do the cold cycle. It's 10 minutes now, so let's take a look. So put in the cold water quickly. So because there's a quick transition, make the polysaccharide structure stabilized. And just let it sit in the ice water for 2 minutes. Next step, I'm gonna use the gel with turmeric powder and cucumber hydrosol to make a acne face mask. This is perfect for the sensitive skin. It has a good anti-inflammation benefits. If you have questions about how to extract the aloe vera gel, please leave your questions down below. Sign up for our free membership at leotalkherbs.com. Don't forget our second part of making the aloe vera gel, turmeric, and the cucumber hydrosol face mask for acne. Thank you for watching. This is Dr. Leo at the LeTime. See you next time.